Mission Superwash. 20 years of helping people keep their rides clean. Offering the best car washing service available in Kelowna. We feature 2 touchless automatic clothless tunnels. Blast that dirt and grime with zero contact to your ride, preventing any and all scratches. 3 of Kelowna's best priced self-serve bays, including an outdoor truck and trailer bay for those who believe doing it right is doing it yourself. We provide all the equipment you need. Our vacuums suck. They also shampoo and deodorize. We even have a self-serve dog wash. You can get Fido clean and smelling great. If your dog likes it, you will love the ease and convenience. Come on out to 3960 Lakeshore Road or visit us at missionsuperwash.ca.